and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be fixing one of my slimes. So, let's get started. So what you're going to need is I've got some hair gel. And in case I want it to be fluffy, I've got some shaving cream, some dye. I've got purple and blue, a spoon, and then, of course, your slime. And you might need a rag and something to have it on so it doesn't get all messy. So let's get started. Okay, so here's the slime before. It's not really stretchy or anything, and it's really hard. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the hair gel and get your spoon. And we're gonna put about this much. And just mix it in. It doesn't have to be like a Pacific hair gel, it just needs to be any type of hair gel. And it'll basically melt your slime. Normally this is used for clear glue slime so that like you don't use lotion and it won't like fog it up, but it also works better. It also works better than lotion, so you can use it on white slimes too. As you can see, this color is like not really that cute. It's like it's getting better though. Add some more. And this slime is quite small too. And the name is horrible on the bottom of the container. The name is horrible, so I have to change that name. All right, now that it's pretty sticky, I'm gonna add in some shaving cream. There we go. Probably should have brought some activator. You might need activator too, but I don't think I'm gonna need it since I'm adding shaving cream. All right, looks pretty, feels really good now.
Hey, where's my drink go? Kayla, can you bring me a pillow to sit on? Never mind.
Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's really good now. Okay, so now we're going to be like making it over so it looks really cute. So we're going to be adding this to make like a really cute purple blue color. So first we're going to add some purple. There we go. Get it all off. Okay. Now we're going to add some blue. Sorry if I'm like sniffling and kind of like got a stuffy nose. So. What are you doing? Don't get so close to my nose. It's a really pretty color. Alright, so I think I'm all done. Just gonna screw the top back on. And put that right there. And we might have to change the name to like lavender or something, because the name was horrible, because it was really bad. So
you spelled it wrong.
Shut up. No, I didn't. Horrible. That's right. And here is the last product. And it's really stretchy and fluffy. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below. Comment down below what I should do next and what I should call you guys. And subscribe and peace out.